आज घर पे बनाया गाइस अमसो। उस दिन मुझे अमसो बहुत पसंद आया था, सो आई टोल्ड अमोंग्स मॉम टू मेक अमसो, और आज अमसो बनाया घर पे। चिकन पीसेस आर क्वाइट बिग विच आई लाइक मोर। सो हियर इज द फर्स्ट बाइट। सुपर ऑसम। बहुत ही ऑसम है। इट्स अमेजिंग।
With rice, na?
With rice I did not eat yet, but I liked it so much. It's very tasty, very very tasty. Let me try with rice. Mmm. With rice is very tasty, very yummy. Yummy, Asinna. Very tasty. Now, Amsa is my favorite food of Nagaland. Alright, guys, so after dropping mom, we are also on our way to
Mokokchung!
Mukokchung. So, we are leaving now. I guess we'll reach there by evening.
Yeah.
है ना? घर तो एकदम खाली हो जाएगा. मम्मी भी चली गई.
Yes.
अमोंग और मैं भी निकल रहे हैं और हमारे साथ जा रही हैं
My mom.
Among's mom. Mummy ji is also coming with us.
Yes.
So let's start the journey to Mukokchung. Bye bye, Yaya.
Get up, where are you? You sit down. Come up.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Here. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Take care, okay? Your exams na.
Back.
Once your exam will finish by then. Okay? I'll be back soon. Don't worry. So guys, since we are going to Mukokchung, we are stopping at City Square for this shop, Doremi Bakes, to get cake for Among's sister. So guys, we went to Doremi Baker to get desserts for kids, cake for kids, and Among also got something for herself. 2 Berliners. She really wanted to try these, and finally she found it. I believe I'm pronouncing the word correct, Berliner.
Yes. Oh.
How is it? Try. Acha hai? It's from the Nagaland's one of the most famous bakery, Doremi. I've seen it like 2-3 stores already in Dimapur and Kohima.
So tasty.
सारा खा जाएगा, मेरे को भी खिला दो एक बाइट.
बहुत अच्छा. So fresh cream.
It's like in childhood we used to eat cream roll. वो cream roll जैसा है. It's just a little softer. अच्छा. Guys, finally ओखा पहुंच चुके हैं. We are having a break, tea break. ओखा तो बहुत ठंडा है यार.
It's too cold.
है ना? बहुत ठंडा है. ओखा तक तो रोड ठीक है. फ्रॉम दीमापुर टू ओखा रोड इज़ ओके. एक छोटा सा बीच में पैच था बस जो थोड़ा सा ख़राब था. अब आगे देखते हैं कैसा रोड मिलता है. आई गेस इट विल टेक लाइक 2.5 hours to 3 hours फॉर अस टू रीच Mukokchung. बहुत ठंडा से. अमोंग तो एस्किमो बन गया.
आपका जैकेट तो अंदर है ना? नहीं पहना.
पहनेगा थोड़ी देर में. आई लाइक कोल्ड ना. आई एम लाइकिंग इट फ्रेश.
Tiago!
Shall we park here? And finally we have reached, guys, in Mukokchung. We'll just go to sleep and let's continue tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning from Mokokchung. So yesterday night we came late, बहुत लेट हो गया था, तो we just thought that we'll just have dinner and then doze off. हम लोग सीधा आके बस सो गए और अभी मॉर्निंग में उठे हैं सुबह सुबह. And here is the youngest one in the family.
He is my nephew, Asensa. His name is Asensa. How old are you? 3 years old. Ah, yeah, Rupajo.
He knows all the 3 languages which I want to know, like Ao, Nagamese, and English.
Yeah. And then Im Chungar, yeah, Kimungen, I don't know. वो
अच्छा.
भी पता है उसको.
So guys, finally we guys are in Mokokchung and let's take you down and let's make you meet a whole family among sister, amongst Oku and his elder brother Tiapong. He's very excited to come in our vlog.
Yeah.
And let me show you the view how it looks right now.
He just had cake, na? So see, look at his mouth. It's okay. Amita raw. Ayama.
So this is how Mokokchung looks right now.
Wow.
It's hills up, mountains after mountains after mountains. So beautiful. While coming to Mokokchung, the way was quite long because it's I guess 200 to 220 kilometers from Dimapur. तो road तो obviously it took time. बीच में road भी बहुत ज़्यादा टूटा हुआ था, but it was better than when I came here in 2023. तो उससे तो better था. But my pocket started paining. But right after we reached Mokokchung and early morning view healed all the pains. It's always worth visiting Mokokchung, even though it takes that long.
Yes, and my mom, she vomit 4 or 5 times, and then nokobi. Tapi she weak huishe. Only be itia tu palu shi tai. She's fine now.
She gets car sick very soon. That's fine. Chalo, let's go down and let's meet the rest of the family.
Yes.
So this is our room, guys, in Mokokchung at Didi's place. और ये है balcony view. Beautiful. इतना amazing view है ना. Whole day इतना amazing रहता है. Balcony में बैठे रहो, यहीं खाना खाओ, यहीं बैठो, यहीं whole day enjoy करो. From sunrise to sunset, you see everything here. Alright guys, so आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं Longkham.
Longkham village.
Longkham village.
brother-in-law's village.
My brother-in-law's village, Longkham. So I love this village. I've been there before, and trust me, if there is any village which I love to go again and again and again is Longkham village. I really like it. So we are headed there. It's going to take some time. Let's see how long it takes. And
45 minutes, I guess, from my sister's place.
time I share. Aro Christmas be pishi hoishe. Pocket khali hoile bi. Busti jabole pishi mona se. Busti jaldi aahi bi.
Ichba!
Ichba.
Ichba!
Ichba. Ichba. And here we are, guys, at Longkham village. Finally, we are at Longkham village. And look at the view right here. It's very beautiful. So gorgeous.
Hello everyone. He is also my nephew, Tiapong, and she's my second elder sister. She's Mia.
Mia says.
Yeah.
And here is mommy with all of us. And guys, this is the monument of Imkung Maran. He was a freedom fighter from this village, Longkham. This is a very famous tourist place as Longkham, where people, whenever they come to Longkham, they do visit here. And obviously, the view around it is superb, so beautiful. Every time I come here, I get a sense of peace. बहुत शांति है यहाँ पर और view, weather, everything is superb. It's really amazing. Holding him.
हम लोग 55 में ना ये निकालो और ऐसा कर दीजिए किसी का पेट में
Tia Pong is anti-magnet.
No, not this one.
हाँ
You need to
इनके
have an
woolen
woolen
ऐसा
one.
Tia Pong is anti-magnet. Huh, Tia Pong? How they are drying clothes. The simplicity of this village is what I love the most.
Wait, Papa Pong.
Look at all the flowers.
Christmas flowers
Have you guys shoot the cherry blossom?
Huh.
yes
It was so beautiful.
On the way, na?
You guys have come like in the beginning of, not beginning, but middle of November. Then
There was a cherry blossom festival, na? So in November there is a cherry blossom festival which happens in Longkham. Though we missed it, there are still a lot of trees with cherry blossom right now.
Don't go there, okay?
Christmas
Sorry. Christmas.
And now we are headed to Long Langba. It's a very
Langba means piles of stones.
piles of stones. Yeah. It's a very famous place in Longkham. The forefathers used to worship here at Long Langba. For that, this place is so famous. It's known, guys, that their forefathers used to worship here, and that's why this place is so spiritual and so pure. That's why you will not see any garbage here. It's absolutely clean all around, and they don't even touch the place like, trying to remodel it or anything. They keep it raw, exactly like it is from years and years. The feeling here is so nice, guys. It's like you're visiting some temple. That's how it feels. So pure. And this is called Mapunki here. यहाँ से कहते हैं कि पहले हवा आती थी, हवा निकलती थी पुराने जमाने में,
देश में ना
olden days में.
यहाँ से हवा निकलती थी I don't know itu yatibra hawa ulai takishi ko ase even I'm not sure okay
So Miyadi's husband is from Longkham, and he's the one telling us about this place, explaining us about this place. We really want to know also.
yadi aigina peshi phal lagi ase
एकदम वे भी ना, एक रास्ता भी एकदम रॉ है भी बिल्कुल.
2023 dibi aishi muijen aro itia 25 dibi ai ase
The thing is, they're keeping it actually absolutely natural, not disturbing this place. That's the best part. Stones are quite rough also, so you have to be careful when you keeping your foot, where you're keeping your foot. Yes, Asansa, let's go.
What is that? What's in doing there? I went there.
Where?
Yes, I went in tree.
And tree. Acha.
There's a place called Tangan Marok, okay?
Tangan Mark.
Tangan Marok.
Tangan Marok.
Tangan is, I think, name of the spring.
Acha.
So they believe that it's a healing water.
Healing water. Acha. That's where we're going.
Yeah, we're going there.
Acha, why? Also, guys, people also say that this village is on one of the highest mountain in Nagaland. That is why the flora and fauna here is something which you don't get everywhere. You know, the plants, it has some rare plants which doesn't grow at other places. कहाँ जा रहा है?
मेरे को भी पता नहीं है कहाँ लेकर जा रहा है.
This is a place. D कौन सी जगह था ये? कौन सा वाटर के लिए?
Tangan Marok.
Tangan Marok.
Tangan Marok.
Tangan Marok. This is cherry blossom, guys. This is the flower which is on all of these trees, and the camera doesn't do justice. It looks so beautiful. It's pinkish in color, and it's looking so beautiful right now. Amang, I got something for you.
Thank you.
Achha. And those 3 holes which we see here are eagle nest. This is the place, guys. Tangan Marok. Or fresh water used to come from here, but in this season it's get all dried up, so no water. That's okay, but I'm sure we got healed already by walking this 1 kilometer because we ate so much in lunch, so it was good. It's a good walk for us. Hannah Mongu,
Yeah.
we needed this walk after the lunch. What are you doing, Asansa? Let's go. ये देखो guys, Naga gang की 3 women already tired. Alamong, क्या हुआ?
The small one is running.
And the youngest one is running. Local Manu, थकी जाए छे.
Tired?
Tired. थोड़ा सा. Come, Sansin. Asansa, come. Asansa and me are racing, na? Asansa, who's winning? You or me?
Huh?
You're winning or I'm winning?
Yes.
You?
Yes.
Oh, sure. Let's go.
My thing is going off.
Oh my God.
Careful.
Oh my God. This is Longkham village, guys. And look at the clarity. I guess it's hardly like 4 or 5 AQI. Nothing more than that. Not simple, not clean. I feel like my lungs are getting healed already. हो गया ना? 7-8 days तो हो गया नागालैंड में. तो I'm already feeling like I'm able to breathe better. And now we are going to that watchtower of this village. Yes, Asansa. And here we are at the tower, guys.
फिश वहाँ भी एक है यार. Wow.
And this is the top. That is the church of Longkham village. And there's the 360-degree view. So beautiful. This is the entire Longkham village. And it's already about to be sunset.
Kids are playing.
Just 4 o'clock. It's not even 4 o'clock yet.
Yeah.
Right there, kids are playing.
Football. Look at him. He loved this village. He don't want to come down. Nimesh, नीचे नहीं आना.
This village, guys, always surprises me. This is the second visit in Longkham. Last time we came in morning, around 10 or 11 o'clock. But this time we came in evening. And look at the sunset. पहुंच गए guys in Mukokchung, and look at the beautiful view of night from the balcony. Tomorrow we'll be going to Khar village. अमोंग की मम्मी का village है और वहाँ मिलेंगे अमोंग के नाना जी से. So keep watching.